Relational database service is a cloud-based web service that is reliable, secure, scalable, and easy to manage. On the RDS console, you can easily set up, manage, scale your instances, and monitor instance statuses and performance metrics. It allows you to stay focused on application development, as there is no need to write any code to manage your instances. This video demonstrates how to buy and log into an RDS instance. Perform the following steps. Step 1. Buy an RDS instance. Step 2. Log into the instance. Step 3. Check that the login was successful. Log in to the Huawei Cloud Console and choose Databases greater than sign Relational Database Service. Click Buy DB Instance. Select a billing mode. If you select yearly monthly, specify the required duration. Yearly monthly instances need to be paid for in advance. If you select Pay Per Use, you will be billed based on your actual usage. Let's select Pay Per Use as an example. Specify your region and DB engine. Select a DB engine version, for example, 5.7. You can specify DB instance type as primary standby or single. Primary standby instances use an HA architecture and are suitable for production databases or for applications in internet, retail e-commerce, logistics, and gaming industry. Single instances use a single node architecture and are more cost-effective than primary standby instances. They are suitable for development and testing, or for learning about RDS. Select a storage type, AZ, instance class, and storage space, tailored to your workloads. Enter the administrator password and confirm the password. You can configure the password now, or after the instance is created. You will be automatically allocated a VPC, subnet, and security group, or you can choose to create new ones by yourself. After the RDS instance is created, the VPC cannot be changed. Exercise caution. When selecting the VPC, the default database port is 3306 and can be changed after the instance is created. Select an enterprise project, which is used for enterprise users. The default project is default. Select a parameter template. A parameter template contains engine configuration values that can be applied to one or more instances. The tag setting is optional. Adding tags to instances helps you better identify and manage your instances. You can determine whether to create replicas immediately. Skip is selected by default. You can create multiple RDS instances at a time by specifying quantity. If you select primary standby for DB instance type and one for quantity, you will get one primary instance and one standby instance. After the preceding configurations are complete, check that the instance settings are correct and click Submit. Go to the Instances page, where you can view the status of your RDS instance. After the purchased instance becomes available, you are assigned the permissions required to remotely access your instance. By default, we recommend you use Data Admin Service to connect to your instance. DAS is more secure and convenient than most third-party clients. On the Instances page, locate your instance and choose a login in the operation column. Enter the default login username, root, and the password you specified during instance creation, and click Test Connection. After the message connection is successful is displayed, click Login. When this page is displayed, you have logged to your RDS instance.